Meaning of declare.
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 Declare. The term declare can refer to a formal or official announcement of something, such as declaring a state of emergency or declaring one's income on a tax form. It can also mean to openly or formally proclaim one's intentions, beliefs, or opinions, as in declaring one's candidacy for political office or declaring one's love for someone. In computer programming, declaring variables is the process of stating their type and name. Overall, declaring conveys a sense of making a clear and authoritative statement about something.